Hi, my name is Elizabeth Ottinger, and I'm head of the Project Management Group at the Therapeutics Development Branch. A key to the success of the complex projects that are brought into our branch is the leadership of the experienced and professional project managers that we have. Project managers manage a variety of projects in our portfolio in programs such as the Therapeutics for Rare and Neglected Disease program, the Helping to End Addiction Long-Term Initiative, the Antiviral Preparedness Program, and other initiatives for public health, such as COVID. Project managers play a key role in promoting a key strategic goal of NCATS, namely to advance translational team science by fostering innovative collaborations and strategic relationships with a diverse array of partners. All projects implemented and led by project managers thus follow and support this model of team science, working with partners from academia, industry, and patient groups to advance therapeutic projects to regulatory, investigational, new drug applications, and clinical trials.
So, what are some of the attributes of a project manager? We have to be engaged, proactive, and always striving to learn and adopt new ways of doing things that improve our processes. Being collaborative and a good communicator that is open and inclusive are key attributes. Some of our values as project managers, we're results-driven, being accountable, solutions-oriented, team-focused, transparent, and most importantly, active listeners.
In the project management team, people are our resources. We came from different organizations, training, and specialties. We blend into a group with a concerted sense of mission here. In our work, we foster the best practice of project management, streamline our processes, utilize what we do best here, and harmonize our collective effort between multidisciplinary teams and external collaborators. The goal is to advance the preclinical development towards human studies. Our priority is clear. We are here to accelerate translational process of promising therapeutic project that is in our hand.
After successful preclinical development of any drug product, it enters the next phase, which is regulatory review, followed by clinical testing. And it is necessary to ensure that all these phases are well coordinated and that the preclinical study design supports the target product profile to avoid any hurdles. For example, in one of our rare disease projects, we have fostered a strong relationship between the preclinical and clinical teams and with the patient advocacy group through regular interactions early on. We believe that this engagement has helped with a better study design and will lead to a smoother transition from preclinical approval to clinical testing.
In general, a project manager and a project analyst pair up for a project. We then follow the PM guidebook to standardize the management process across different programs, projects, and personnel, so that when we interact with different parties, we can provide consistent guidance to navigate the project through different phases.
In addition to regular project team meetings, we adapt several computer programs and tools to effectively, conveniently, and confidentially share ideas and deliverables with other team members. For example, we use Microsoft Teams to streamline the communication and documentation of the interactions within the collaboration. We customize the channels to organize activities by each discipline so that the conversation can be focused and the decisions are timely.
Kara, how does a project manager help a collaboration?
So project managers take a 360-degree view of all parts of a project. We're able to make connections across specialties, troubleshoot issues, facilitate collaborations between groups, and advise the team of the best path forward.
Tina, how does project management fit into advancing translational science initiatives?
In addition to therapeutic development, PMs are also involved in the development of new platform technologies. These projects are critical pieces to advance innovation and drug discovery for future platform therapies. For example, I manage a portfolio of early stage projects which therapeutic modality known as antisense oligonucleotides. These require significant project management due to multiple collaborative interactions and coordination of activities to ensure progress.
London, what do you think is the importance of project management to drug development projects?
Project management is a necessary and critical component to keep the projects organized and progressing from that initiation to closeout phase. We foster very close relationships with our collaborators, team members, stakeholders to ensure transparency and that information and communication is flowing freely. Although the various entities and subdisciplines may have their own established workflow, synchronizing all of those activities towards the same goal is a key responsibility of project management. The projects may go into silos or not reach those critical milestones or even fail without project management.
Sherry, is there something fundamental about project management you'd like to tell us?
Yes, there are many aspects to project management. What it is not is the management of people. What it is the art of managing all the interactions for a given project, both scientific and operational. Sometimes that distinction gets lost. Our role is to bring clarity, transparency, and a full understanding of the interconnections within a project to the multiple partners contributing to the project through the communications we initiate and receive. To effectively do that, our communications must be elevated to skillfully managing interactions, which could be the difference between success and failure of a project. The takeaway message we would like to convey is that project management is a critical discipline in the development of therapeutics.